Okay, here is a 18-inch Shark outboard that I make. It's a copy of an ITO boat that's particularly rare, and it comes out really good. I reproduced, if you can see it, the shark teeth. In mine I got a little light bulb where the eyes would be. Sorry, I got a cold. And then here, reproduce the shark. Usually it's painted on these boats, but I'm not that good at hand painting that sort of thing, so I had a little sticker made. Anyway, there she blows. It's a nice boat. That's one of my outboard motors. These zoom motors, they call it. I painted it red and gold for another boat I was working on. Here's the switch. Now the switch is touchy. You gotta kind of finesse it. It may come off. Now, the motor has a switch on it. See right there. Yeah. Now if I want, I'll turn the power off. And then this way, I turn the switch on and the lights and everything, and the motor comes on too. She's a bit noisy. We'll turn that off. It's meant to sound like an old 049 gas engine from our U-control airplanes, you know, from the 50s, 60s. And that's what that motor is supposed to sound like. It's pretty clever. Anyway, here it is, Shark. It's done. I originally wanted to ship it out today, but I'm going to have to ship it out tomorrow. It's too late now, plus I'm sick as a dog again with some damn cold. But here we go. She's a pretty boat. Take this off. I made a little outboard gas tank kind of a thing for the you hook up your outboard motor to. And there's a dash plate I made, the steering wheel, windshield, the air scoops. Original K&O parts is the Buick hood ornament, the step pads, and the bullet lights in the pontoons. Originally they were light bulbs, but I can't find any light bulbs that small, that size. So anyway, it works. And then the switch, of course, is new old stock. It's a nice boat, it really is. If you got a boat you need restored, send pictures and info to RBOJCK@gmail.com. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'm running out of parts, so I'm winding everything down. I shut down the website, it's gone, rccraft.com. So I'm basically going to restore what I got left, make a few boats for myself for a change, and call it quits. So if you want something restored, if you want one of my boats, let me know and make it quick, because I'm not going to be doing this probably the rest of this year into spring next year, and that's probably going to be it. So I got a GTO I want to restore. Anyway, thanks for all the kind words for my boats, and there you go.